Hello, everyone. My name is Alex, and this is the agriculture group. Our group is focusing on wanting to make modern agriculture more sustainable. With over 8 billion people on the planet, we require intensive agriculture to be able to feed everyone. However, we can do a lot of things to make that more sustainable and environmentally friendly. And our group divided that into three aspects: community, environmental, and economic. Here is community.
Okay. Hi, I'm Natalie, and I, along with Curran, were community engaged learners at the UW Farm, which is a local farm here on campus. While volunteering at the farm, we were able to see the benefits that a local farm like this has on the surrounding community. For example, at the UW Farm, community members were able to come volunteer and get hands-on experience with a variety of sustainable practices, such as composting, which they are then able to transfer to their own lives to make a more sustainable lifestyle and planet.
Another benefit of the community farm is that buying produce from local farms and merchants in communities helps lead to a sustainable life. By shopping locally at a community farm like the UW Farm, you're supporting sustainable agriculture practices like cover cropping and composting. Also, because of this proximity, less energy is wasted on the transport of the goods and produce that come from these farms, meaning that your food is both fresh and leaves a much smaller carbon footprint than commercial farming.
Right. Hi, this is William. I'm here to talk about some environmental impacts of agriculture. And in order to support a large population, most modern farming practices will use a lot of artificial fertilizers to increase crop yield. And what happens is with these artificial fertilizers, it leads to nitrogen runoff that pollutes nearby bodies of water and creates algal blooms. And these are bad for the environment because certain types of algal blooms, like cyanobacteria, produce many toxins that are harmful to both humans and organisms that live in the water. And also, when algal blooms die, they'll usually sink to the bottom of the water source where they are decomposed by microbes. And these microbes will use up a lot of dissolved oxygen in the water for decomposition, and they will also reproduce, which causes more oxygen to be used in the water.
Hi, everyone. My name is Alex, and I will be presenting the economic side of modern agriculture. Many local and some national economies are based on agriculture, and therefore it is vital that for their well-being, their employment, their livelihoods, that they're able to maintain their lifestyle on top of contributing to feeding the world. And a local example I would like to point to is the Ogallala Aquifer in the Great Plains in the US. This aquifer contributes about 30% of all irrigated farmland, and aquifers are underground reservoirs of fresh water that are some of the cleanest water, but also some of the slowest replenishing sources of water. And these farmers will pump water from the aquifer to irrigate their fields. However, this $3.5 billion industry has caused the aquifer to drop to levels up to 50%, meaning that over half of the aquifer can potentially be already gone. And this is unsustainable because the rate at which it's refilled is slower than the rate at which it's taken out. And if the aquifer were to run dry, then these communities and people will no longer have access to their livelihoods. Therefore, systems such as managed aquifer recharge or pumping irrigated water not absorbed by plants back into the ground directly can be used to extend the lifetime of these water sources and enable these communities to continue to farm and continue to gain employment through that. We hope you all enjoyed our presentation and our poster on agriculture, and hope that it can help lead to some more ideas on how to create a more sustainable and more fulfilling future when it comes to modern farming. Thank you.